Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. The Solana chart has pushed a little bit higher overnight, and as I explained to you in the last video, it's possible that the price would use here this $195 level as support and potentially as jump-off point for a little bit further, for a few more upside extensions, yeah. And I mean, I might remove the white scenario entirely today. It doesn't make a difference at the moment. But if you watched the last videos and if you read my analysis, then you know that the idea is actually that this looks more like a three-wave move up. This move up from the 2nd of August low. We were watching for 5 waves, and oh boy, we got the 5 waves. Okay, but that 5th wave extended a bit, and that makes it more look like again a 3-wave move. Is that bearish? No, not necessarily. I mean, context is everything. The context is still bullish, and we're still holding above support levels, so we continue to watch for higher prices. But we just need to be mindful that instead of an upside impulse, we might actually be working on a diagonal pattern. That shouldn't be anything new. If you watched previous videos, you know that the idea is actually that this here is also a 3-wave move up. It was not a 5-wave move up. Yeah, I mean, I'm tracking that as wave 1 as an ABC structure, potentially of a diagonal. That is why the 3rd wave should also be an ABC structure. And so all of this could take us to 360, 380. That hasn't changed, yeah. But with the proportions we have here, it just looks more like an ABC structure. Surely, visually, you call it 5. I mean, it's just that the 5th wave is so extended that it takes the shape of an ABC. Because we take the Fibonacci extensions of that yellow A wave, go to the low of the yellow B wave, and you see that we have reached the 100% extension, and that's a crystal clear ABC, okay? So it doesn't matter, however, from a practical point of view. I always try to be pragmatic about things, because the support zone would be shared among these scenarios anyway. So the support zone is between the 78.6 retracement and the 38.2 retracement, because a B wave pullback or a wave 2 pullback, well, they should respect the same fibs. I haven't really got any evidence, though, that a pullback has started. Just updated SUI for members, and on SUI, for example, on the SUI chart, it looks like that pullback has started. I think on the Solana chart, that pullback is due, even if this is a C wave, because in the C wave, I can identify 5 waves up, so yeah, just watching for it. But I think it takes a break below that swing low there from yesterday at $195 to really get a first confirmation that this pullback has started. And I would call it an A, B, C structure. So I'd say yellow count is preferred, but I need to see a little bit more price action to then really remove the white count from the chart. I mean, technically, some other interpretations are valid that I'm observing, but really they're all currently pointing to the upside as long as we're holding above $165.94. I mean, that is the key level that really needs to hold to keep the upside intact. That needs to hold for upside trend continuation. That's what we are watching at the moment. So yeah, that's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to join us on X for some additional updates, mindset stuff, Elliott wave stuff, trading tips. You can ask questions. So join us here. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our Gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community, join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area.